On January 6th of 2018, I uploaded my very first video to this YouTube channel. It wasn't good. I filmed it using a phone. I edited it in one day using Movie Maker, and I uploaded it not because I thought that it was going to be actually entertaining, but just because I was so excited to make a video that I just had to do it that day. I'd been thinking, you see, as that year started, as 2018 started, that I wanted to do something else with my life. I didn't want to come home, do my homework, and then start playing video games. I wanted to come home and then do my homework and then feel like I was doing something productive that I also really enjoyed. So I decided to start this channel. I took the love and passion that I had for cars, and I started to apply it, and I started to learn things that I never thought I would be able to learn. I learned how to polish headlights. That was one of my early videos. I learned how to replace a head unit in a car. I learned how to change oil, and as it went on, I started learning so many new things. I started to grow in so many ways. I practiced making cinematic edits, Forza Horizon. I don't make those anymore, but they were good practice as far as editing styles go. And as I went, my passion only grew and intensified. And I think it started to show more and more as videos went on. There were times when I would become discouraged, certainly. Viewership stats would go down for a couple of weeks. I wouldn't gain any subscribers for some time. I'd maybe lose a subscriber, get a bunch of dislikes on a video. At times, I wondered if I really wanted to keep going. But I stuck with it. And as a product of that, I can say today that I am indeed proud to be the creator of Darby Productions. Because yes, I've had my rocky patches, times when the videos really weren't that good. I was just churning them out because I wanted to get something uploaded. But as I've grown, and as I've realized what exactly I want my channel to be, I've come to understand something, and that is quality always trumps quantity, and that real passion shows much more than simply a desire to make some money in an easy way. I've come to understand what it really means to care about something. Because yes, I could work on cars, I could learn how to do that without a YouTube channel. I don't need to have a YouTube channel to learn how to work on cars. But by making videos and sharing the things that I learn with the world, sharing my experiences with the world, and helping other people to have a good day, to be entertained, to learn something new. That's something special, and that's something that I want to preserve, and I want to keep going with. And I want to take a moment for us all to look back and remember the times that we've had, the good times, the bad times, but mostly the good times.